Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari reaction. So I'm here to do another reaction video to do RBD member Anna, and this is her song Mi Delirio live in Sao Paulo, Brazil. I reacted to two songs already from the same tour, I believe. And if YouTube doesn't block it, I think she's amazing. I love this rock-esque show that she did, and I'm here for it. So she's a performer. She's a performer. She's a performer. Bitch, we don't even get this level of production from RBD live performances. Ring the alarm. Let me do it too long. I bet a damn if you see another chick in your arm. Shut the up. I need to react to this whole tour. This bitch. She's a performer. She is a performer. She's a performer. Yeah, she's a performer. Yes. Yes, she is a performer. She is a performer. She's a performer. You guys lied to me. The RBD fans, you guys lied to me. You guys told me to listen to their song. You might like it. You guys never told me this bitch was a beast performing. You guys lied to me. I think you guys wasn't being upfront to me. I feel tricked. I feel betrayed. Oh my god, I think I need to react to her live performance that she did in Brazil of this concert. I love the look, I love the costume, I love the stage, I love the lighting, I love the drama, I love everything. They did not give you this much effort in production when it comes to RBD. I don't know what was going on, but this was everything. However, the new performance that they did last year's Christmas, that was good. That was good. I could see the elevation within their craft and their talent elevated. But I really do like that. So I want to say thanks to the one who recommended me to react to this. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I get to it as soon as possible. Oh, who can you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Bye.